Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, Bondingship. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 12 of annual term examination and today's SW number will be 11. My dear student, our topic name Exercise 5.2. From exercise 5.2, we shall solve on CQ as your CW, which is CQ number 19, and CQ number 20 will be your SW. So, my dear student, let us start our class. I have already written this CQ number 19 on the board. Okay, at first we read the question to solve this problem. So, here A equal to x minus 2. B equal to x square plus 2x plus 4, C equal to x cube minus 8. Okay, by these are three expressions. By using these three expressions, we need to solve question number B and C, and A is different. Here A equal to x minus 2, B equal to x square plus 2x plus 4, C equal x cube minus 8 are three algebraic expressions. A, find the sum of these expressions. B, simplify 1 by A multiply x minus 2 by B multiply x by C. C, prove that 1 by A multiply x plus 2 by B divided by x plus 2 by C equal to 1. So we start to solve this math. First of all, 19A number question. Okay, at first you pick up A by BC, then plus B by CA, then C by AB, then AC by A minus B. Now my dear student, here you notice at first we need to find out the LCM of the denominators. Here denominators are BC, CA, AB and AC. How can we find out LCM? We take common and uncommon term both. Here you notice A common, so we take A first, then B and B. So from 2B we take 1B, and C. So we take C. Now notice we divide this ABC by BC and we get A. That is multiplied with the numerator, that means A square, plus we divide this ABC by CA and we get B. B is multiplied with this B and it will be B square, plus we divide this ABC by AB, we get C. C is multiplied with this C and it will be C square, plus we divide ABC by AC and we get B, and B is multiplied with this number. That means if we multiply B with A, then we get AB. If we multiply B with this minus B, then we get minus B square. Now my dear student, notice this minus B square and this plus B square are cut and remain A square plus C square plus AB divided by ABC. I hope you have understood. This is the answer of question number A. Okay my dear student, next we shall solve question number B. Here question number B is simplify 1 by A multiply x minus 2 by B multiply 6x by C. So in order to solve this math, we need the information of A, B and C. So first of all we write given that. B number, given that A equal to x minus 2. We can't convert it into factors. Cos x minus 2, this is a factor. Okay. Then B number, B equal to x square plus twice x plus 4. Okay, my dear student, notice x square plus 2x plus 4. So by seeing this plus sign, we notice we use middle term break method to make 2x, but you notice if we multiply x square with 4, then we get 4x square. Okay, then we want to break this 4x, but here plus sign. This plus sign indicates that we break this middle term by doing addition. We know addition is happened in two ways, plus and minus and minus. So 2 and 2 are factor. If we add 2 with 2, then we get 4. If we minus 2 minus 2, then we get minus 4. But here you notice this is 2. So we can break this. So it is remain unchanged. That means x square plus twice x plus 4, and c equal to what? C equal to x cube minus 8. Notice x cube and 2 cube. So x minus 2 and here x whole square plus x into 2 plus 2 square. Okay. Then x minus 2 and here x square plus twice x plus 4. Okay. So this is the factor of C. Okay. A, B and C almost done. Now we simplify this. Now 1 by A multiply x minus 2 by B multiply 6x by C. Now we put the value of A, B and C. So 1 by, what is the value of A? It is x minus 2. Right here x minus 2 multiply x minus 2. What is the value of B? The value of B is x square plus twice x plus 4. So we write x square plus twice x plus 4. Multiply. Here we write 6x. What is the value of C? C is x minus 2 and here x square plus twice x 4. I hope you have understood. Now, my dear student, please notice we do multiplication. Sorry, my dear student, we check this problem again. This is plus, not multiply sign. This is plus, not multiply sign. So here we use plus sign. Now at first we do multiplication of these two number. X minus 2 are cut. Here left 1 by x square plus twice x plus 4 and here 6x by x minus 2 and x square plus twice x plus 4. Okay. Now we do LCM of these two fractions. So here x minus 2 and x square plus twice x plus 4 is the LCM. We divide this LCM by this number and we get x minus 2. That one is multiplied with this number and we get x minus 2. And then we divide this LCM by this one and we get 1. 1 is multiplied with 6x and we get 6x. Okay. Now we do addition of this LCM. 6x plus x, that means 7x minus 2. And here x minus 2 and x square plus twice x plus 4. So this is the answer of these questions. I hope you have understood. Next, question number C. Prove that 1 by A multiply x plus 2 by B divided by x plus 2 by C equal to 1. Okay. In order to solve this math, we also need A, B and C. So first of all, you write given that. C given that A equal to x minus 2, B equal to x square plus twice x plus 4, C equal x cube minus 8 and x whole cube minus 2 whole cube, x minus 2 into x square plus x into 2 plus 2 square. So x minus 2 into x square plus twice x plus 4. So A, B, C are written. Now we do left hand side. Left hand side is 1 by A multiply x plus 2 by B divided by x plus 2 by C. So 1 by A means x minus 2 multiply x plus 2, B means x square plus twice x plus 4. We do bracket and divided by x plus 2, and what is the value of C? It is x minus 2 into x square plus twice x plus 4. Okay, now 1 by x minus 2 multiply x plus 2 x square plus twice x plus 4 multiply by x minus 2 x square plus twice x plus 4 by x plus 2. Now we do cut here, this one and this one are cut, x minus 2 are cut, here x plus 2 are cut, here 1 by 1 means 1. Okay, this is RHS. Okay, so here we write LHS equal to RHS truth. My dear student, CQ number 20 of this chapter will be your SW. You must do your assigned SW in SW copy and submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 am to 3 pm. So keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.